Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram mention problem or add to story problem easily and fast. All what you have to do guys to fix this problem is very easy. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. Open the apps and then go to the Instagram. Now all what you have to do on this page, it's called app informations page, is click on the data usage and then disable the background data and go back again and click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. Click on the power usage details and click on the app launch and turn on this option like this. Click OK and now click here again on this force stop, and last thing you want to do is click on storage and clear cache. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.